He's planting East African red cedar, juniperus.
And I want to encourage Kenyans and really plead that we must stop encroaching into our forests. Forests are not free spaces for all. We must conserve them. I think everybody now has seen the adverse effects of climate change. It is taking lives. It is taking away our property. It is destroying our livelihoods. So we are going to intensify efforts to make sure that we keep people off of our forests. Grazing is a no, and we want our communities to support us in this, because we are planting 10,000 trees here today, supporting the Office of the Attorney General. But if the moment we live here, we have livestock coming after the trees we have planted, it will be a zero-sum game. So we have stopped any form of grazing within our forests across the country. And I want to encourage our communities. We are going to encourage even, other means of sustaining our livestock. And one of the things is even encouraging the growing of fodder trees within our private farms, so that forests remain to be those that provide us with air and also deal with our carbon sequestration.
It's not just about the communities being mobilized, but also being educated on the importance of planting and growing trees, because climate change is real and is an existential threat to the well-being of our country.